channel, PorchiaNicole here. I am in my restroom, okay? I have a review for you guys today. I did receive this product from a company called White Wheat Style. So we're going to be testing out this product. It is a teeth whitening product, and we're going to see, does it really work? Like, are you really going to get my teeth white? We're going to find out, okay? So I have opened up the bag, okay? And I have all the things that it comes with. The little trays, the toothpaste, the syringe of the solution, the vitamin E swabs, and the little light thing that you have. First I'm gonna take a picture of my teeth and see. They're not really that white, you guys, honestly. A lot of y'all be like, oh, your teeth is white. They're really not. They're really very, very stained. I mean, compared to this card, they look like, like a 7. Oh, that looks horrible. So yeah, we're gonna do all of this together on here. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see, do I have a little bit light bright? So first, with anything, you're gonna read the instructions. I do want you to know that I did receive a promotional code for this item. So at the end of this video, if we think this really worked and you're really interested, make sure that you go and you use the coupon code, because if you do, you would get a lot of money off of this kit. This kit is really expensive, but if you use the coupon code, you can get it for like less than $30. Come on. And some toothpaste. So come on, coffee drinkers, let's get it. So the first thing that I have the directions here, and it says that the first thing we need to do is mold our custom trays. So the custom trays are here. They look like some football mouth protector guards, whatever, and it gives you a lot of directions of what you're gonna do. I need to boil it in some water. I need to submerge the trays. I need to put the trays on my teeth and mold them. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go mold the trays in the water, and then once they all molded, I will come back and we will go. I am done molding my trays. These are my trays. Honestly, I can see my teeth impression. You know, it give you the directions, and I did everything that it told me to do. So we just gonna move on to the next scenario, because I don't know. Okay, so it says brush and floss before whitening your teeth. So we're gonna use the toothpaste that I was saying, the Bamboo Charcoal Toothpaste. Remove stains and bad breath. Okay, it says Bamboo Charcoal activate ions. Have a strong absorbent capacity which can remove all kinds of stains and mouth odor. Whitening teeth, protect gums, and prevent tooth decay effectively. Make your teeth whiter and brusher faster. Fresher. So first, I'm gonna brush our teeth. Now that I know if y'all want to see that. Is that too much? Like, do y'all put a lot of toothpaste on y'all toothbrush when you brush your teeth? Like, I don't know. Well, I can't use that. But it says use soft brushes. Okay. Okay. They feel clean. I don't know about being whiter, but they feel clean. It says remove the clear plastic insert from your battery compartment LED. So that is this thing right here. I don't even see what they're talking about. Oh. Oh, okay. First of all, I didn't have no, oh, there you go. I about to say, there you go. I about to say, I didn't have no clear plastic compartment. That means somebody used my light. It's my light used. Okay, so now I just locked it back. Okay, Light is on. Okay. Place a small drop of gel onto each tooth impression on each tray. Use less gel than you think you need. Do not get the gel on your gums. Oh my god. I'm not good with these type of directions. Don't get the gel on my tongue. So y'all, this is impressions, and I did cut them down some because they was too big. So I can see like a little of my impressions. So I'm gonna like, girl, barely. I mean, I'm gonna barely put the gel on each little tooth impression. Okay. Barely. Cause I don't want, girl. I don't want it to get on my gums. It said don't let it get on your gums, so I'm gonna make sure this don't get on my gums. And then they be all sensitive and all of that other crap that they got going on, honey. I ain't got time for that. Okay. Let me go get my aloe vera gel out just in case. So they give you some aloe vera gel just in case I get some gel on my tooth. How I get this out? Just in case I get some something on my tooth. So I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. So after I put the LED in my mouth, I didn't need the aloe vera because I didn't get any of it on my gums. Like, was not playing with that because I didn't know if it was gonna sting or hurt or what. So I didn't get any on my gums. And I put the LED in my mouth. That would activate the gel and whiten your teeth faster. Keep the trays in for no longer than 30 minutes. So I did leave the trays in for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the trays and rinse your mouth out. I did rinse my mouth out. Rinse trays in lukewarm water and store in a clean, dry place. Use as needed. Do not exceed more than 1 treatment per week. For best result, use the magic tool prior to whitening. So the magic tool is something that you can find on their website, and follow up with the Stay White Teeth Whitening pen. And you can also find the pen on their website if you even want to make your whitening process even faster. So now that I have done the treatment, I have used the toothpaste and I have used it. Okay, so if you ask me to say for my first time, I feel like I can see a slight difference. It's like the teeth has a shine to it. It's like they're not like super white or went up 2 shads. Or I don't even think if I went to the next number, maybe, I think it looked like I'm like a 6 now, so maybe I can see it over time that as I keep using this product that my teeth will get super whiter. And I do plan on to keep using the product because my teeth feel super clean. Like, they even feel clean from just the toothpaste. Like, even if you just don't even want to do the whitening, the toothpaste made my teeth feel so clean after I finished brushing my teeth with that toothpaste. So I'm like, and even after the whitening, everything feels so smooth and like it just feels so clean. So I am digging this product right now. Like, I'm going to continue to use it. It do say that you don't exceed more than 1 treatment a week. So that means clearly you ain't gonna do it more than once a week. So I did it today on a Monday, so you know, next Monday I'll do it again. If you want to see where I'm at, make sure y'all follow me on Snap. I will be doing updates on Snap and updates on my Instagram stories. So make sure y'all there. If you want to check out this product, make sure you use the promotional code so you can save a lot of money on the product. The product is quite high. So make sure that you do use the promotional code and follow all the directions to a T. I followed the directions. It worked really well. Don't really get stuck on like your trays not really molding that well, because it still worked out perfect for me. And you know, you just don't want to get none of the stuff on your gums, and that didn't happen to me. So yeah, just make sure you follow the directions and do whatever it says, and we'll be on the road to white of teeth, because I do think I'm going to like this product. I really do. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, bye.